Do you ever get caught up in the particulars of your own life? So much that the ups and downs, the stresses and minor dramas take on exaggerated significance? Well, that's where I was this time last week. And I realized I needed a change of scenery to hit the reset button. So here I find myself in Puerto Escondido, walking dirt calles past huge concrete homes, mixed in with improvised huts, standing on beaches, looking out over the endless open waters of the Pacific Ocean. I think all of it is to bring me face to face with the immensity of life, so I can get perspective and make some important decisions going forward. What are the choices you make? Do you live for the moment or look ahead? What are the risks you take? Are they for desire, for the dreams you have, or the illusions which haunt you? Here in Puerto Escondido, the spaces are vast and open. The beaches, blue skies, and open waters. That's why I came here, to find some space for reflection, to consider the direction I'm taking over the coming months. The contract for my beautiful apartment in Mexico City is coming up soon, and I'm trying to decide if I want to stay there or create a more flexible situation, one which can enable me to spend more time back in Dallas, to work on my business and develop new sources of income. Let's go for a walk down on the beach and see what comes up. I've been out here walking these last few days, and I've noticed how here on the eastern side, known as Zicatela, the surf is too dangerous to swim, but it's inspiring to look at and be around. Where do you go when you have to take a decision? I try to step away from the pressure, to get out of my thinking mind and into my feeling body. That's why I came here, to feel the breeze on my skin, to step into the dangers of the surf, just far enough to sense how it could pull me under if I'm not careful. Here in the central part of the town is a bay, where the waters are more tranquil, where boats can launch for the open sea and people swim, a place that feels more sheltering and secure. The bay here in Playa Principal feels good to come relax, enjoy the waves, and do a little swimming. I think I've come to a decision about this next step in my life situation. One which feels like a balance of the risk I'm taking and the security I'm giving myself. So what are you doing to survive? To keep your hopes and dreams alive? To feel what's going on inside? Me, I'm putting one foot in front of the other and saying, hey, I'm gonna live this beautiful day because it's the only day I have. Enjoy each day, friends, and take care of yourselves. I love you. Te amo.